Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to make poultices. A poultice is a mixture of fresh, dried or powdered herbs that is applied to an affected area. Poultices are used to ease nerve or muscle pains, sprains or broken bones, and to draw pus from infected wounds, ulcers or boils. A poultice of self-heal relieves sprains and fractures, while St. John's wort can help ease muscle or nerve pains. Drawing boils and infected wound. Slippery elm powder mixed with marigold tincture or myrrh tincture makes a useful poultice for drawing boils and wounds. Standard quantity. Sufficient herb to cover the affected area. Standard application. Apply a new poultice every 2 to 3 hours. Repeat as often as required. Making poultices. 1. Simmer the herb for 2 minutes. Squeeze out any excess liquid. Rub some oil onto the affected area to prevent sticking and apply the herb while hot. 2. Bandage the securely in place using gauze or cotton strips. Leave on for up to 3 hours, as required. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe.